Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, April 1st. This is David, and this evening I want to take a look at Google. So the first way that we're going to take a look at Google is through the lens of the Voodoo Lines roadmaps. The Voodoo Lines incorporate elements of Fibonacci into creating these levels where Voodoo fire lines, these red levels, are the most important levels, and then we've got tree lines, the second most important, and then snow lines, the third most important, and others. But those are the ones we'll be focusing on this evening. And the roadmaps tell us that when we get support above an important level, like this fire line down near 100, that we can start looking at a map up towards the next fire line up. In this case, it's right around 159, and that is going to be my next upside target here in the name. Now, in order to keep that move on track, because just holding 100 doesn't tell us that we're for sure going to get to 160, we need to look next to the tree lines in between. And in this case, holding this 123 level, as we did late October, early November, kept that idea on track. This is when I last got into Google, and that sent us up. The pullback didn't absolutely hold this 136 and 75 cent tree line. We poked below it to the snow line, but we roughly held it. And so long as we're staying above both tree lines, that's going to keep this this upper fire line level in focus. But that's not the only reason I'm looking up towards the 159, 160 level. If we look at this last pullback that we had, right, starting earlier this year, and look at the move up proportional to it, right? This is just using Fibonacci external retracements. We can see the two levels that we usually look to. Target one up here at 127.2% of the preceding move down gets us to 160, and then target number two, right, would be 161.8% of the first move down. That's all the way up at 168. But my focus is certainly drawn to this level because it does coincide with that fire line. Now, support above the fire line, I don't just mean poking our head above there, but getting above and seeing pullbacks that hold that level. Keep the focus up. And I don't want to rule out a move continuing in the direction of the trend, but a couple of reasons to look towards this level keep me interested in seeing Google higher. So for my long Google position, I have sold some calls against that up around 160. If my position does get called away, then I'll start selling some puts again. But I am at least considering the idea that we may run out of gas there. So I hope that's useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.